Wake up and move. Justin Arnold back here again at Flex MP, bringing another Movement Monday. I'm seeing a lot of repetitive movements. That's totally cool if you're enjoying it, from push-ups to squats to even mountain climbers. And that's what we're going to talk about today. Mountain climbers, are you doing them correctly? We're going to go over a few things to make sure you are. It seems so simple. It's a common movement, but here we go. So you know what they are. They're these, okay? So are you doing them correctly? It's a great cardio move. It's great for your abs. You might even feel it on your legs. You're over there now. But the point is, we want to make sure our hands, our joints are lined up from wrist, elbow to shoulder. Then once we're set up in that position, a lot of things I see wrong is people drive their knee too far and they'll actually round their hips. So then we're getting the low back. And I actually like to take them slower, more controlled, so that we're getting ab activation. So I'm actually going to drive in, and notice there's a little stability. So instead of tapping here or moving forward, we're driving it straight up, activating those abs. So I'm actually squeezing the abs, then I drive. Squeeze the abs, then I drive. Now as you get better, you can do things like side climbers. You can pop back up. You can do cross climbers. You can go fast. But again, I like to go nice and controlled and a little bit slower. Stay tuned later this week. Might throw this into a neat, unique workout come Wednesday. Again, make sure you're feeling the abs, not the low back. Keep a nice flat back. And that's our move of the day for things that get you moving better, feeling better, and living better here. Yeah, go ahead. Don't give up.
Don't give up. Try your best.
And you're amazing.
And you're amazing.
We love you. You guys need anything, click the link below for some free advice, free training, and just to get moving better right now when things are a little tumultuous. Take care.